Guys, this is the moment of truth. This is going to either blow your mind or not. I'm finally going to do cheese on stainless steel. I've never even tested it. So if this doesn't work, you're going to know about it same as me. All right, we're doing the glide method. We put some oil, smoked it in the pan for 15 seconds. We put a little more butter than usual to this. Because it's cheese, I want to get a little more butter in there. All right, we're going to put the cheese in. Let's see how it goes. Just a little bit of flour cheese. That's it. All right. You know as much as I know here. Will cheese stick to stainless steel? This is the ultimate test. I've had hundreds of comments of people asking me to do cheese. Let's see how she goes. Little flour just to dry. This is not like a matzo stick or anything. This is a pure chunk of cheese from my block of mozzarella. All right, it seems to be gliding. That's pretty cool. We're gonna cook it on all four sides here. I'm gonna give her a little flip. Interesting. Okay. It's definitely gliding. There we go. A little bit of browning on there. It's gliding, guys. Cheese is gliding. So you can do even matzo sticks. You dip this in a little bit of I had to use more oil for this. You just have to. I mean, I'm going to do a test where I do very little oil, but look at this. This is unreal. It is gliding on stainless steel. One of the hardest things. This is melted cheese on stainless steel. Yes, there's 2 tablespoons of butter in here. But we're not eating all that butter. I'm going to take it out right now. Okay, let's flip her over. Beautiful. Let's flip her over. Beautiful. It did not stick, guys. This is 2 tablespoons of butter. We didn't eat the butter, and the cheese didn't stick. I'm even shocked. Let me know what you guys think below. I'm gonna try a couple more cheese experiments as well. This is what Big Teflon doesn't want you to know. Hopefully that blew your mind.